Do you know how to utilize the blue light filter feature on your device? Do your eyes get strained? Hey guys, welcome. This is Jeknotek. Today we're going to talk about how to enable the blue light filter feature on all platforms and the health benefit it will have for you.
Alright guys, let's get into it. So in iOS, we're going to head over to settings and go down to display and brightness. You'll see night shift there. Go ahead and click on that. And as you can see, you can schedule when to turn on the blue light filter, manually enable it, and you have a little slider there to choose how warm you want it. And on Android, you have some options. This is a Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. I'm going to swipe down my toggles and turn on blue light filter there. If you hold that down on some tablets and phones, it will let you change some more settings. You do have some options. You can head to the Play Store and type in blue light filter. You can see there's a bunch of them there. Twilight's blue light filter is my favorite one. I've used it a lot. I really like the user interface. But like I said, there's tons of them. You can also head over to F-Droid. I really like F-Droid. Definitely thinking of making some videos on F-Droid. But within F-Droid, there's Redmoon. It's a really cool open source blue light filter app. You could really get in there and change settings. There's some cool optimization. You could schedule just like you could with the others. And you can also pause it within apps. So if there's a certain app you don't want to show in, you can add that. Let's get into macOS. Then we go to System Preferences, Displays, and at the bottom right of that window, you'll see Night Shift. Go ahead and click that. And there's all the settings you need. Sunset to sunrise, you could do custom. You can manually enable it, and you have the slider there to choose how warm you want it. I also highly recommend Flux. I'm sure that's the most popular one that a lot of people know about. Or f.lux, I'm not sure how you pronounce it, but it's a very good app. I've been using it for years. It's available on pretty much all platforms. Definitely donate to help them out because they make some great software. And let's get on to Windows. Go ahead and get to settings. System and display, and you'll see the night light settings there. And you have all the same options. You could turn it on or off manually. You could change the strength of the night light and schedule what you need. Ubuntu Linux. So there's two ways to get there. The first one is go to the top right and go to night light. You can go to system settings there and displays. Got the same options. You could schedule. You have the slider there. And here's the other way. Just go straight to settings. And go to displays, which it's already on. And there you go. Same thing.
Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe, comment, likes, all that. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section, of course. And check out this next video I'm going to have on the blue light filter glasses that you can use.